So here we go again, and actually meron na akong vlog for this Conquest 4x2 automatic for white and emotional red. So ito i-highlight ko naman is the color black. So tara. Yeah. And this is the black Conquest 4x2 automatic. So wala na tong manual variant So, yan yung design ng headlight. Yan. And, yeah. So, guys, check nyo lang yung channel ko. Meron ding white and for the emotional red. So, yan yung black color niya. Yan. That's the color black. Up close naman, nakita nyo, may chrome design yung grill niya. And yung over fender niya, nagra-run siya yan hanggang fog lights. Kita nyo. Yan. Pero sa Hilux GRS, iba yung design niya Mugs. Right? Let's see the interior. Starting here sa side mirror. So, yung makikita nyo, sa side mirror, meron na siya integrated signal light. And, of course, under, meron yan 360 camera. Kita nyo? Under. Ayan. So, the Hilux emblem. And the step board. Nice. And the over fender design, meron siya accent here. Let's go inside. So meron tong smart entry na push. Right? So the window controls are here. Yan. 4 windows, central lock, central window lock, fold and unfold ng side mirror. So this is the joystick to adjust the mirrors. Then side pocket extended. See? Right? After. So, by the way, it's power adjust seats. Kita? Diba? Nice. And under is the parking sensors. Blind spot monitoring, 360 camera. Pang-open ng hood, pang-open ng gas. Alright. So, yan. Yan yung design ng brake and accelerator. Alright. So, merong cup holder. It's push function. Okay. Ito yung design ng aircon vent niya. Yan. And the controls. Yan. So, ito yung volume, skip, mode for the shortcut, answer call, drop call. Alright? So, ito naman yung cursor niya. Yan. To navigate yung settings dito. Alright? Yan. Diyan mo ma-adjust yung mga pwede mo i-off yung blind spot monitoring. Yan. Lane departure. Okay? So, by the way, dito may shortcut key dito ng lane departure. Lane assist. Alright? So, yan yung design ng steering wheel niya. Alright? So, the seat design is the leather design. Okay? So, ito merong mga small holes. Pero hindi siya ventilated seats Pero ang ganda tignan, white stitching. Alright. So leather seat to. Even at the second row. See? Alright. So let's go inside. So, by the way, the Conquest 4x2 automatic is push start. Ganda. And, yan, meron nga pala tayong cruise control. So, ito yung pan-lock ng speed natin. Alright? So, under is this auto off, front defogger, rear defogger, fan blower, okay, air circulation for the cabin, and ito yung airflow. So, meron tong dual temperature, and ito yung thermostat niya. So, rotary design yan, yan, naiikot, kita nyo. Okay. Yan. And, meron tong dalawang cup holder. Ito, lagayan ng coins or your phone. Okay. Then, meron tong mode for eco and power mode. Alright. So, ito nakatanggal yung shift knob nito, Okay. So, meron tayong park, reverse, neutral, standard drive with plus minus. Okay. By the way, wala tong paddle shift. Kung gusto nyo mag plus minus, dito nyo siya gagawin. And of course, ito pa rin yung classic handbrake. The best yan. Gusto ko yan kaysa sa push button na brake. And meron tayong sa center pocket. And ito yung pocket natin sa gitna. Square siya. Alright? Yan. So, meron pinipindot dito under para mabuksan yan. Okay? Going back sa dashboard, and meron ditong cool box, guys. Okay? So, yan, ito napupush to. Okay? So, yan yung cool box. Sana nakita nyo, medyo madilim. And ito cool box, hiwalay ito sa glove box, A glove box, pinipindot din under. Yan, okay? That's the glove box. Okay? So, yung aircon, dumadaan dito sa cool box. Kaya siya tinawag na cool box. Pero, hindi ibig sabihin na yung, kunyari meron kayong bottled water dyan, mag-yelo siya. Okay? Dadaan na lang siya ng aircon. Okay? Then, of course, meron din yung cup holder. Dyan. Yan, para sa passenger natin. Then, by the way, meron tweeter dyan, Okay? And, check nga natin kung may salamin. Okay? May salamin to. Okay? Ito yung visor ng passenger. And how about sa driver side? Wala. Okay? Walang mirror. And lagayan ng salamin. Okay? Then meron tayong ilaw dito na meron siyang button function for the door and the off. And the center light para sa cabin is this. Yan ang design niya. Okay, merong off, door, and lit. Okay, nice. So, yan. Makita ko lang up close yung design na yung minention ko na meron siyang small holes. Okay, nice. So, wait, before I forget, ito yung hazard button niya. Adjust ng clock. And, yan. Okay. Nice. And by the way, if you're wondering about this, ito yung sensor niya for the lane assist. Yan. Okay? So, that's it. That's the dashboard. Right? So, ito na nga yung second row. Nothing much. Pero, yan, meron siyang speaker. And, of course, same. Cup holder and extended. Ito yung hawakan niya. Door function, lock mechanism, window control. Okay. So, yan is the, okay. By the way, meron tong armrest na retractable with dalawang cup holders. Alright. So, by the way, tatlo yan, Tatlo ang headrest natin. Ganda. And removable naman yan, of course. Okay. And, meron itong aircon vent dito sa second row. Nice. Ang ganda. Pwede nyo siya i-off, of course. And, And meron dito retractable na sabitan. Okay? And that's the second row. Right? Nice, ganda-ganda. And by the way, ang size ng mugs natin na all black, glossy is 18 inches. Right? So, ang gulong nito is dweller. Okay? And pakita ko lang tong cargo space niya. Wait, ito muna sa taillight. Nakita niyo meron siyang letter C. And the Conquest sticker. Okay. Pakita ko muna tong cargo. And then, and nandito yung backing camera niya, guys. This one is the backing camera. Okay. So, meron siyang 4 na sensors. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, stepboard niya is this. Okay. Na-open natin. So, meron tong hydraulic mechanism, kaya ang dali lang niya, of course, iangat ibaba using just one hand. Okay? And sinarado ko siya. I'm gonna open it again. So, this is the mechanism niya na nagpapadali, maibaba siya. So, meron bed liner, of course. And the Toyota emblem. So, may kabitan siya dito ng mga ropes. Kita nyo? Okay. So, 4 yan ha. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yan. Okay. So, yeah. So, ito yung roll bar niya eh. Atoin ko ah. Ayan ah. And meron siyang accent na much lighter na gray here. Okay. Yan ang roll bar niya. So, pwede nyo yung tanggalin para mapalitan nyo ng roll bar na depende sa design na prefer nyo. And mukhang yun na yun. Gusto ko lang talaga pakita tong black. Remind ko lang, meron na rin ako nitong white and red. Okay? Stop recording. So, pauulit-ulitin ko lang and discount ang pinaglalabanan dito. Okay? Sure yan, pag lumabas yung bagong Hilux, is walang discount. And konti pa lang yung unit. Okay? Kung gusto mo magtipid, dito na muna tayo. Okay? Yung masisave mo, pang-upgrade mo agad, pang-forma.